strands of life, primal codes, cryptic by design. We just float, like two floating looks. The river's wild, there's no way to pose. And if you feel, you know what there's in store. Hold on tight, you're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, embrace yourself for change. 'Cause who you are is never set in stone. And things go down with a magic of their own. And when you think you gotta figure it out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds. So we hang onto holes, more things, trying to guess what tomorrow brings. But as it poured from Chicago, we used to say, oh, carpe diem, which means seize the day. 'Cause if you think you know what is in store, hold on tight, you're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, embrace yourself for change. 'Cause who you are was never set in stone. And when things go down with a magic of their own, and when you think you gotta figure out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds. Different waves, different strands of life, primal codes, cryptic by design. We just float, like two floating looks. The river's wild, there's no way to pose. And if you feel you know what there's in store, hold on tight, you're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, embrace yourself for change. 'Cause who you are is never set in stone. And things go down with a magic of their own. And when you think you gotta figure it out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds. So we hang onto holes, more things, trying to guess what tomorrow brings. I'm sitting on a rock and watch the heron fly, feeding the water out the way. It has been such a beautiful day, a beautiful day, a beautiful day. I'm waiting for the stars to show. I'm waiting for the fire to glow, feeding the water out of a sleeve. Let's burn one down and slowly disappear. 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 Oh, I've been hiding, hiding deep in the woods. Oh, I've been searching, searching as far as I could for some answers, answers to my riddles and my doubts. Oh, I might have taken the easy way out, but it doesn't matter now. It doesn't matter now. Remember Nina and the waves, the East Coast for a holiday. I remember the way she laughed. She's waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by, sitting peacefully in the morning light, asking nothing in return. She's Just waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by with the most beautiful smile. With the most beautiful smile. When I'm around her, I feel safe. There's a magic river flowing.